Hello everybody.
Hey Preeti.
Hey, look who we have today. We have Mr. Ketan Patwardhan in my house.
Hi Preeti. Hi everyone.
Hi.
So Preeti, what are we going to cook today? Or what are you going to make me cook today?
Okay, so basically, we are both Maharashtrians.
Absolutely.
Right? But I am married to a Bengali.
Yes.
So I've learned a couple of dishes from my mother-in-law. So
apart from your favorite kadai chicken?
Yeah. And of course, so today we'll be making the dapching.
Oh, my favorite.
Yes.
So did you bring the coconut with you?
Yeah, it's right behind you. Look.
Oh, nice. This is good.
So dapchingri, everybody. So this is a unique dish.
Let's start cooking. So Preeti, could you tell us what are we going to use? आपण काय काय वापरणार आहे ते सांगशील मला?
Yes, definitely. तर आम्ही आता dapchingri बनवणार आहेत. So most importantly in a Bengali cooking is your mustard oil.
आणि हे fortune sir.
Yeah. Any mustard oil, kachi ghani mustard oil will do. Okay. And this recipe is mainly a unique one because of the coconut. Okay. Alright, so what we have to do in the coconut is get this thing so it will, stand in a proper position and get the water out. We'll use the water for cooking the prawns. Okay. And the malai, okay, it will go as a base of, instead of your coconut milk.
Oh, nice.
And or your grated coconut also.
Understood. So you don't have to use the desiccated coconut. The malai should do its job.
Yeah, the malai is most important. And of course, then I do have overnight soak. They say you soak it for an hour or two, but I prefer it soaked overnight, which is your posto. पोस्तो म्हणजे खसखस आहे आणि मस्टर्ड सीड्स. आय प्रिफर येलो मस्टर्ड सीड्स because it's not very pungent.
Okay, and also it will get you a color.
Yeah, it gives you a good color. And then of course cashew I have soaked.
Again, you have soaked them overnight?
No, just for half an hour or so.
Okay.
In hot water. Okay. And of course you have your chingri, which is prawns. Okay. What I have done is I've removed the head. You can keep the head and remove the eyes, and you can devein it. Some people keep the head also.
Yeah. I love eating prawn head.
Yeah, but I haven't kept it. I've kept the tail intact and I have deveined it. Okay. And I've marinated it with salt.
Okay, just with the salt.
Yeah, because this is a the color that comes is from green chilies.
Understood.
And
posto.
And from the posto and the cashew. So it doesn't have too much red chili powder or turmeric powder or any of these vibrant spices.
Oh, great.
We just have onions, then green chilies and coriander for the garnish.
Perfect.
So this, what we are going to do is basically we're going to boil this and paste this. Okay, so onions we are going to boil first and then paste it. Then cashew, posto, which is your khaskhas, and mustard seeds.
Okay.
हे पण आपण paste करून घेऊ.
And yellow mustard seeds घ्यायचे.
Yes.
Correct.
Okay. So the green chilies, yellow mustard seeds, cashew, and your khaskhas will be into a paste.
Okay. Great. Let's start. So now we are boiling onions.
Yeah.
How long are we supposed to boil them?
Till they become translucent pink.
Oh, great. So we are going to remove the water from the coconut now. Oh, that's nice. And the entire water we use it for cooking?
Not the entire one, just a few spoons.
Acha, okay. So it gives you a little bit of sweetness to it because it has it's a pretty decent water for your summers as well.
The rest we can have as aperitifs.
Absolutely. Oh, there's a lot of water in there.
That's a good amount of water. Yeah.
So now what do we do, Preeti? Do we add the cashew and posto?
Yeah, add the cashew.
All of them?
The mixer, yes. Cashew generally doesn't go, but I put it's for the richness. It tastes really nice.
Oh, because I also add a lot of cashews in makhani gravy.
Yeah, no, in this also, the richness comes from the cashews.
How nice.
Yeah.
And then you add this.
Yeah, the posto and the mustard.
Oh, and they're combinedly soaked.
Yes, overnight in hot water.
Great.
You can add some of this water and take the rest of everything.
Yeah, good.
Yeah, I think that will be fine.
Great. Now you add the chilies in it.
Chilies, yes.
And then you
I
grind.
think the onions are also done, so you'll have to just switch off the gas. Fine.
And you paste this separately.
Paste this separately, onions also separately.
Great. So let's do the paste.
Yeah.
Now that our onions are cooked, so we remove all the water, Preeti, and then add to this, right?
Yeah. But we'll have to cool it down.
Yeah,
a
we'll
bit.
cool it down
Yeah.
because it's convenient. Good.
Our oil is settled down now. It's not hot or tremendously hot, or nor it is warm. Okay, it's
Great.
just right.
And then you add the prawns now.
We'll add the prawn. You can use this.
You can use that one.
Careful, it might flutter.
Yeah. This is flutter worse than jeera also.
Yeah.
So usually what I do is any of the prawns preparation that I do, I usually add a little bit of turmeric.
Okay.
It kind of takes away its pungentness.
Yeah.
आणि मी मोस्टली ती सांगलीची हळद वापरतो विच इज
Ah.
स्ट्रॉंग.
Yeah.
आणि जनरली लोक काय करतात त्या ऑनलाईन मागवतात कुठल्या तरी हळदी आणि मग त्याला टेस्ट नसते कारण त्याच्यामध्ये मैदा पण मिक्स करतात कधी कधी.
Yes.
सो मी काय करतो मी हळकुंड आणतो आणि घरी आम्ही ते दळून घेतो.
Oh wow.
म्हणजे ह्याच्यामध्ये मला तर खलबत्त्यावर कुटायला पण आवडतं बट neither I or neither my mother has the energy anymore. So we just get it pounded from a outside place. There's a
Amazing.
pounding places. But the whole idea is to get the entire turmeric and then get it pounded. Because you know what you're pounding, right? And the
Yeah.
purity of, and there's no color. Otherwise they add the colors also in it.
No, and it is the best thing to do is make your homemade masalas.
My goda masala that we make for, all of the major recipes like masale bhat, angyaki
Yeah.
bhaji, all of this is from home, like made it at home.
Nice, छान आहे. This idea is really nice.
Yeah. Also,
आपण असंच करायला पाहिजे.
exactly.
So,
आणि
get
माझ्या
our masalas done at home only. But
आणि-
since you're insisting on a little bit of turmeric,
then let's add
I'll
it.
just add a little bit.
Because it takes away its pungentness completely. Because it has its own flavor, right?
And then of course it's an antiseptic also.
Absolutely. So, आणि माझा एक मित्र आहे सूरज, he lives in कोल्हापूर. Whenever I go to कोल्हापूर, I make sure that I meet him. तर त्याची मामी आहे, ती मसाला बनवते. I will get you next time when I have that masala.
please.
त्यांचा कोल्हापुरी मसाला एकतर इट्स अ मिथ दॅट कोल्हापूरच्या भाज्या तिखट असतात किंवा कोल्हापूरचं जेवण तिखट असतं असं काही नसतं. इट इज व्हेरी फ्लेवरफुल.
Okay.
ही इज टेकन मी टू प्लेसेस इन कोल्हापूर विच आर मोर फ्लेवरफुल देन द फूड दॅट वी ईट हिअर.
Wow.
It's interesting to be very honest.
I think it's done. We won't overcook it because we have to cook it in the coconut oil.
So now that it's smoking enough, do we add the onion paste?
Yes.
Let me take the entire thing and add.
Yeah.
And you thoda roast it for a while.
Yeah, you can add this paste also, so it
Okay.
both gets kind of, cooked together.
I love working with spatulas for some reason.
I also. It's very clean.
Yeah, and it also cleans your bhandi.
Yeah.
So Preeti, tell us what do we do now? It's almost being cooked. So
Yeah.
do we add salt in it now?
Yes, add some salt.
Okay. Great. Anything else?
No, that's it.
There you go. Okay, so I love how the texture of this masala has turned out.
Yeah.
I wasn't expecting it to be this textury.
It's not sticking to the pan
Yeah, exactly.
now. And the best part about Bengali cuisine is, they don't use too many robust masalas. There are subtle flavors, like the flavor of
So
the
there is-
mustard.
I don't know whether a lot of people may not like this, but even being a non-Bengali, I love the matha of the fish.
Okay.
Because it's the most delicious part of it, and it also gives you a lot of it
Yeah.
actually makes your neurosystem better.
Okay.
I remember one of my friend telling me that their grandmother used to give them fish eyes to eat
Okay.
at a childhood.
Oh,
I never developed a taste for fish eyes. Any kind of eyes I can't eat.
no.
But in general, I'm just saying, if there's Bengalis, eat that also.
That's nice. Okay, now
And you don't add any of garam masala in there.
no.
So it's just the flavor of post.
It's basically a luxurious version of chingri malai curry.
Oh, I have tried chingri malai, but I think I like the dap chingri more than
Yeah.
the chingri malai curry.
I'll clear out.
Gol parak.
Yeah. Now we can thin it down with some coconut water.
The one which we removed. So can I add like a spoonful?
Yeah.
Should
One more. That's good.
This is interesting. I love when the coconut water is cooked. It gives you different aroma, by the way. And of course the flavor.
It's the best ingredient in lieu of non-normal plain water.
Absolutely. You all should just drink coconut water, but they are
Yeah.
very expensive now.
Okay, now you can add the prawns.
Okay, great. So let's add the prawns with the water.
Yeah. That is like eau de livre.
Okay, great. And then you mix it. You want to like check once, mix it.
Yeah.
So I love how the consistency has turned out.
Yeah.
Very, very pretty it looks.
It looks very pretty. And once we add the coriander leaves, it will look much more.
Okay, so we are adding coconut milk now.
Yeah.
Usually both of us prefer adding coconut milk which is made at home.
Yeah. What
But
I am
now-
doing is I am mixing the milk.
Okay.
Okay, because this one is quite thick.
Okay.
I'll mix it with some coconut water.
Okay, great.
And
Because-
the leftovers also is there in the
Then
prawns.
can I add like a spoonful?
Yeah.
And then just mix it because it's
Yeah.
also coconut water. Oh, and you did this in the marinated.
In the prawns itself.
Yeah, correct. That's right.
The
That's good.
spoon also had some kashmiri, so it will all get
Mixed.
mixed together.
Can I add this now?
Yes.
Great. And then you cook this.
You can adjust your consistency as per how you want it.
Okay.
Basically,
But-
if you want it more thin, add some more coconut water.
Okay, good.
In the meantime, what I'll do is I'll chop some coriander.
Great. Okay, so what do we do next, Preeti?
Yeah, so this is almost ready. We won't cook it too much
Okay.
because the prawns
Prawns
will
becomes
take
rubbery.
rubbery. So we'll have to transfer this curry into the coconut. Okay.
Oh, nice.
And then we'll have to cook it on the gas
Oh, how
on
nice.
a dum.
Oh, nice.
So yeah,
Interesting.
this thing will require a little bit of patience.
Because you have to add.
Yeah.
What do we do next? Wait.
This is also one of the main ingredients.
Okay.
So we'll
The
top
malai of
it
the
up.
coconut.
Yeah, we'll top it up.
Interesting.
Thoda sa, we'll just try and push it into the curry. Okay. And then obviously
The coriander.
the coriander.
I love adding fresh coriander in everything.
Yeah, it tastes, gives a very
Especially
nice
आमटी भात
flavor.
त्याला आमटीतलं कोथिंबीर is.
Okay,
So now we put it directly on the burner.
we have put it directly on the
And
burner.
so it will cook very well.
So how we know that it has got a dum is basically just everything will become black. So it will take around 20 to 25
That's fine.
minutes.
Okay, so now it's cooked pretty decent, no?
हां ते इथपर्यंत हे होईल आणि इकडनं बघ पाणी पण येईल.
Oh, interesting.
Bloody oil is hot.
Now going to
We're going to do
plate
the
it.
plating.
Great.
So I'm going to hunt for the prawns.
Yeah, there is one.
Yeah.
So are we not going to serve rice and then put a
Yeah.
chimney over it?
So I have some freshly made steaming hot rice.
Oh, great.
Okay. You can use any rice, kolam, indrayani.
Great.
Okay. But
I love Govind Bhog.
Okay.
It
Oh
tastes
yeah.
very good. With
It's
Govind
very
Bhog,
nice.
I use it for Bashanti Pulao most of the time when I make it at home. But it's more like an ambe mohar that we have in Maharashtra.
Yeah, yeah. But this one also is a nice rice that I've got. It's a basmati tukda, so it's pretty.
So I use Indrayani at home.
Okay.
But for Bengali dishes that I make, I use Govind Bhog.
Okay.
Especially the meetha chawal that they make, no?
Haan,
I
yeah.
use the Govind Bhog. It tastes so good.
So this is actually done. I have just placed it in a glass bowl so that it doesn't topple over.
Understood.
Yeah. So
This is looking so delicious.
it is, and it tastes very nice as well.